This product was sent to me from a
Alright guys, so we have ours loaded up here. So ready to go. Now let's go ahead and show you how we're gonna do this. So we're gonna go ahead and caulk. Now we wanna go slower. You can see it going up through the tube. So you don't have to go real fast. You don't have to squeeze too hard. And we're just gonna kind of beat it along. Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the silicone sealant. So it is for indoor and outdoor use. So crack prevention, anyway, you guys already know that. So what's nice about this is you cut the tip or you poke the tip. So right in here, and then you just simply twist on the funnel. That's it. And then go ahead and use your caulker and you can use it. Some people can actually manually push it up with their hand, but you probably need an actual caulk gun. Oh, we got a nice little gap right down in here. And some people use their fingers. So here's a nice gap, if you guys can see. That's a big gap. So we're gonna use a little bit more there. All right. So now what we'll do is we're gonna take our finger and just go across here. Now this whole thing's gonna be repainted white, so we're not too worried about it. Take our finger. If you don't want to get your fingers all blacked up, then go ahead and put on latex gloves. As you can see, it's very dark black, so it's gonna show up everywhere. We're gonna be painting this whole thing. You guys can see this is all old, but it actually sealed and goes really smooth. I like that. It's nice. So we're just gonna go around and fill up all the cracks and go through. I mean, as you guys can see, this is all old. All this, we want to fill it in and repaint all this up and make everything really nice. But yeah, the silicone worked good. As you guys saw, it comes out really easy as well. Now if we go ahead and put this over here, show you guys here. So we got, well actually let's first show you guys how so this, I could put my pinky in. That's a really big crack. So let's see how well the sealant fills that in. Adjust this. Okay. Oh yeah, that's filling in real good. Okay. Nice. All right, after we press it, we're gonna wait. Oh, we can actually use the tip there to go across. That works good too. So, fill that in there really nice. Then we can take our finger and go across, fill in those gaps. And we're gonna do more over here, but yeah, it works good, guys. All right, guys, so I just got done doing that for a while, and my final thoughts are, first of all, if you get it on your hands, the best thing to use is a Brilla pad, so like a hard pad to wipe it off. The silicone is waterproof, which is really nice. It's supposed to last a long time with no caking, which is good. So if you're using it outside, it's supposed to last handle with extreme weather. It's supposed to dry within 30 minutes. Obviously, that's going to depend on how big the gap is and how much you use. So again, you can use it indoor, outdoor, on wood, on plastic, on glass, in between wood, in between plastic, in between glass, and you can use it for car repairs and all that kind of stuff. But at the end of the day, you should be able to use it for all of your projects that you need to. And again, it works good. It comes out good. I think when you're done, just clean the tip off and store it away. Store it in a, I would say like a neutral area, so maybe a basement, or probably not an attic anywhere, or somewhere where it's really hot, high humidity. But a basement would be good, or low in a crawl space or something like that. But yeah, we'll definitely get more of it for future projects. We actually have a little less than half left, but again, it will do the job. It will do its sealing job.